Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Last week I showed you how to massage your mother's shoulders. I hope some mothers got well-deserved massage at home. This week I will show you 3 ways to extend the shoulder massage time. In fact, you can extend any massage with these in mind. The first way to extend the massage time is to go slower. Of course, if you go slower, it takes more time. But as I mentioned, the benefit of going slower is that it feels deeper and more sincere to the receiver rather than rushing through the massage. Again, matching the breathing with the receiver is a nice way to slow down, and press as you both exhale is the ultimate way to connect as their body relaxes. When you go with the flow of the breathing, you may find it very relaxing too, and you may even go into the meditative state, as my clients told me. It doesn't surprise me at all because I go into meditative state all the time when I'm giving massage. The second way to extend the massage time is to divide into more sections. In the last video, I said to pick 3 locations between the base of the neck and the shoulder bone. You can divide the same area into 5 sections, 7 sections, 10 sections, or even 100 sections. It's okay to overlap as long as it's not hurting the receiver or yourself. When you give a massage, it helps to define a target by sectioning certain areas or by certain muscles. So you don't blindly just massage all over the place, or worse, doing this thumb circles. For non-professional massages at home for your partner or family members, you don't have to have all the anatomies and muscle names. Just know you massage muscles, not the bones, so avoid bones. The third way to extend the massage time is to do more presses and trips on those divided sections. For example, in the previous video I did shoulder press 3 trips on 3 locations, which took about 40 seconds. If you do 5 trips on 5 locations, it takes about 1 minute and 40 seconds, so you just added a minute. And it should be easy to do because you're just using your body weight and you're not depending on your fingers. So these are the 3 ways to extend the massage time with what you know. Slow down, divide into more sections, and do more presses and trips on those divided sections. And if you want to know more massage techniques, I have a free massage guide in the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my video is up and out.